Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me JBL Live Flex Earbuds, and in this video I am going to show you how to hard reset these earbuds. So I will show you two different methods. So let's start. The first method is by using JBL Headphones app. So I will open the JBL Headphones app, and here is the JBL Live Flex. I will just select it, and here you have all the different features for these earbuds. So you have to scroll down, and at the bottom you see this option of support. So you have to select this support option. Once you enter in the support page, here you can see the number 4 option is about reset to factory settings. So just select this option, and here it will ask you if you want to reset or you want to cancel. So I will select this reset option. So it will start the reset process and it will take you out of the app. Now the hard reset is completely done. Now we will see how we can connect these earbuds back with our device. So first of all, go out of this app and then open the Bluetooth settings. So I will bring down this quick panel, and here is the Bluetooth icon. I will press and hold it, and here is the Bluetooth settings. Now for example, if I try to connect JBL Live Flex from here, it will take a few seconds and then it will say it is unable to connect. So after the hard reset, you will have this issue. So for example, I will show you. We just have to wait for a few seconds, and here you can see after a few seconds it is giving me the message about couldn't connect. So now how to connect these earbuds back? So first of all, you have to insert these earbuds back into the charging case. So I will put them one by one, and now what you have to do, you have to turn off the Bluetooth, and then you have to close the charging case. So I will close the charging case and then turn on the Bluetooth, and also you have to open the charging case. Now here you can see it is showing me JBL Live Flex, and then if I select JBL Live Flex now, it will start making a connection, and this time the connection will be successful. So here you can see now the JBL Live Flex is connected and ready to use. If you want to check it, you can also check it through the app. So I will go out of the Bluetooth settings. I will open JBL Headphones app, and here you can see after a few seconds it will also make a connection with the app. So here you can see it already make a connection, and now it is ready to use through the app as well. The second method is by using the earbuds for hard reset. So first of all, open the Bluetooth settings on your device. So I will bring down this quick panel. I will select this Bluetooth icon, and it will open the Bluetooth settings. Now you have to take out these earbuds and you have to wear them in your ears. So I will take out this left earbud and I will wear it in my ear, and I will also take out this right earbud. So guys, after putting this right earbud in your ears, you have to tap on it 3 times, and on the third tap you have to press and hold it for 5 seconds. So you have to tap it like this, 1 2 3, and on the third tap you have to press and hold it for 5 seconds. So now I will wear it and I will tap on it 3 times. So 1 2 3. So on the third tap, I will press and hold it for 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds, you will hear a voice prompt which says power off. Once you hear this voice prompt, it will also get disconnected from your device. So here you can see the JBL Live Flex is no more connected with my device. That means the earbuds are completely hard reset. Now if you want to connect them back, you have to put them back into the charging case. So I will put them back into the charging case, and then again you have to make a connection with your device. So now once you put them back, here you see this notification about JBL Live Flex, and here it is asking you if you want to connect. You can select this connect option and it will start making a connection. You can also connect it from here as well if you don't find this notification. So I will skip this Google option, and here you can see JBL Live Flex is now connected with my device and ready to use. Again, if you want to check it through the app, you can also check it through the JBL Headphones app, and here after a few seconds it will also make a connection with the app as well. So here you can see JBL Live Flex is now connected with the app, and ready to use with all the features and functionalities. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.